ये लड़ाई हम सब की लड़ाई है, हम पहलवानों की लड़ाई है, हम पहलवानों के भविष्य की लड़ाई है, ये पहलवानों के वर्तमान की लड़ाई है।
Today, Olympian Babita Phogat met a group of fellow wrestlers, nearly 200 of whom are on protest in Delhi over sexual harassment allegations against the federation chief and several coaches. On the second day of the protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, Phogat said, and I quote, "I'm a wrestler first. The BJP government is with the wrestlers. I will make sure that action is taken today itself. I'm a wrestler and I'm in the government as well. So it is my responsibility to mediate. I have heard instances of abuse in my career as well. There is no smoke without fire. These voices are important," she said. Yesterday, India's Sports Ministry asked the Wrestling Federation of India or WFI to respond to the allegations within 72 hours after triple Commonwealth Games gold medalist Vinesh Phogat, one of India's most decorated women wrestlers and Babita Phogat's cousin, went public with the charges. WFI President Brij Bhushan Charan Singh, who is a BJP MP, has refuted the charges. ANI quoted the 66-year-old as saying, and I quote, "All the sexual harassment allegations are false and I will commit suicide if they are found to be true. I tried to get in touch with the wrestlers, including Bajrang Punia, but was unable to do so." Bajrang Punia, a Tokyo Olympics bronze medalist, also joined the protest and accused Singh of running the federation in a high-handed manner. His tweet read, "The job of the federation is to support the players and take care of their sporting needs. If there is a problem, it has to be solved." 28-year-old Vinesh Phogat made the allegations against Singh and trainers at a public protest in Delhi's Jantar Mantar, backed by several other top wrestlers. She said, and I quote, "Women wrestlers have been sexually harassed at national camps by coaches and also the WFI president. I know at least 10 to 20 girls in the national camp who have come and told me their stories." Phogat said that she never faced such exploitation herself, but claimed that many wrestlers were intimidated from coming forward because of their humble origins. She further said, and I again quote, "They are scared because of their family background. They can't fight them because they are powerful. Wrestling is our only livelihood and they are not letting us do it. Our only option is to die, so might as well do good before dying." Fellow wrestler and Olympic bronze medalist Sakshi Malik, who was also part of the protest, endorsed the allegations. Her tweet read, "Athletes work hard to win medals for the country, but the federation has done nothing but let us down." The Delhi Commission for Women has issued notice to the Sports Ministry and asked the city police to file a case. The organization's chief Swati Maliwal also met the protesting wrestlers at the Jantar Mantar. The allegations come months after the coach of the country's national cycling team was sacked following sexual harassment charges.
सरकार से मिलकर
आप लोगों की जल्दी समझ होगी और आप लोगों के सामने शायद रखी भी इन्होंने कि इनकी क्या इन्होंने मतलब ये क्या चाहते हैं और वही होगा जो ये लोग चाहते हैं।
अभी आप इनके लिए किस तरह से मदद कर पाएंगे आगे?
मैं एक खिलाड़ी के तौर पे ही मदद कर पाऊंगी और एक बड़ी बहन के नाते भी।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.